Mastering quantifiers. Making sense of some, any, many, much, few, little, and more. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into an essential part of English grammar, quantifiers. These little words like some, any, many, much, few, little, all, both, each, every, either, and neither play a vital role in our everyday language. Let's get started. Quantifiers are words we use before nouns to give information about quantity. How much or how many. For instance, some indicates an unspecified amount, while few indicates a small number. Understanding how and when to use these words correctly can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Some and any are used to talk about indefinite quantities or numbers. When talking about a positive situation, we generally use some. When we're unsure or are discussing a negative situation, we use any. Let's look at some examples. I have some apples in the bag. I don't have any apples in the bag. Many and few are used with countable nouns, while much and little are used with uncountable nouns. Many and much refer to a large quantity, while few and little suggest a small quantity. For instance, she has many friends, countable. He has very little patience, uncountable. All, both, each, every, either, and neither are used to refer to specific amounts. All refers to the total number. Both refers to two items, each, and every, to all members of a group individually, and either, and neither, to one or the other of two items. For instance, all of the students passed the test. She has visited both the museums in the city. Every student must submit their assignment. You can sit on either side of the table. And there you have it. You've now got a better understanding of quantifiers in English. Remember, like every aspect of language learning, mastering these quantifiers takes practice. Keep using them in your conversations and writing, and soon enough, they'll become second nature. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson.